Brittany Bear Makeup here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to share with you guys a video that I have been promising my bear family for quite some time now. And this video is going to be on how I contour my nose. This year I had the honor of working with Morphe in collaborating the perfect 3 nose contouring brushes. This is my kit, and I will be showing you guys today how I use it to snatch my nose. So don't forget to turn on your guys' post notifications so you can be a part of my bear family. Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And keep on watching as I show you guys how to get snatched.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
So guys, inside this kit, you're gonna get 3 brushes. Each one of these brushes, I'm gonna show you guys how I use them to create the perfect snatched nose. So these brushes retail for $18 on morphebrushes.com as well as in store. And I do also have a coupon code, Brittany Bear, which will also give you money off the brushes as well. Here is the package that my brushes come in. It's a very beautiful case displaying all 3 brushes. On the back, you will find a little love note from me to you guys, as well as step-by-step directions on how to use each brush and how to snatch your nose. All right guys, so here are the brushes once you take off the plastic case. And as you guys can see, we went ahead and placed them in order from the 3, the 6, and the O. But today I'm gonna show you guys how these brushes are super versatile and how you can use these in different orders and still accomplish an amazing nose contour. So when I went ahead and designed the brushes, I wanted to make sure that I had different sizes for different nose shapes, and I really just created the perfect set of brushes that were universal to anyone. So the first brush I'm gonna pick up for today's look is going to be my 6 brush. So here is the 6 brush. It has a beautiful flat black base, and it also is rose gold. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this into the bronzer and then go ahead and tap a couple times just to make sure I apply a small amount of product. I'm gonna begin by drawing a line straight down the side of my nose. I'm starting from the crease of my eye and curving into a straight line. This brush makes it so easy to contour your nose. You just slide it downward and it gives you the most perfect straight line. So here is what one side looks like. We are now gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. What's super important about this step is to make sure you're placing the lines very close to one another. So as you guys can see, I'm almost cheating where my bone of my nose is, and I'm bringing the lines in closer to one another to really just create the illusion that my nose is slimmer. So dragging the product downward, and once again guys, did you see how easy this brush makes those lines? It is so hard to get a straight line on your nose contour, and this is why these brushes are so amazing, because you literally just drag it down and it's a perfect straight line. All right guys, so now that we've applied the 2 straight lines down the sides of our nose, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my same brush, and I'm going to be applying the product to the bottom half of my nose just like this. So what this step does is basically shortens the length of your nose. For people that have longer noses, or maybe they just want to create a very slim like button nose, this is definitely a step that I would recommend. So I'm going to be applying the product under my nose and just kind of blending it out a little bit. It already kind of shortened the length of my nose. All right, so I'm going back in now, and this time I'm going to be picking up the first brush. Now the first brush is the 3 brush, and I'm going to be taking my Hoola bronzer once again and applying a small amount of product to it. Now this is what's going to create that cute little button nose that we all love. So I'm going to be grabbing this brush and going about a ½ inch above where I applied the bottom half of the contour. I'm gonna make a small line just like this. So I'm then going to be dragging a horizontal line from one side all the way to the other side, connecting both ends of the contour. So far, this is what the nose contour looks like. Now, I know for a lot of people, it looks a little bit scary. I promise you, once we blend it all out, we're gonna be looking so snatched, we're not even gonna be able to breathe. So just wait. All right, guys, so picking up my 6 brush once again and my Hello Flawless setting powder, I'm going to be applying a little bit of product onto my 6 brush. Now, grabbing this product, I'm gonna follow a straight line down the center of my nose, and this is just going to re-highlight my bridge of my nose and just make sure that everything looks very snatched. And then that little small circle that we left untouched, we're gonna go ahead and brighten that up with the setting powder. All right, guys, so now that you've applied the setting powder down the bridge of your nose and to the little button part, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my O brush. And my O brush is a beautiful, soft, and fluffy brush. I'm gonna once again go back into my Hello Flawless powder. I'm gonna start from where the line is, and I'm going to begin to drag the powder into my under eye, just like this. So the key to this step is basically to create the illusion that our nose is a lot slimmer and making it blend in with our bright under eye highlight. So I'm doing the same step onto the other side. Now, it's okay if you got a little bit of product onto the contour. Don't worry, because regardless, we're still gonna blend this all out and make sure that we don't look super crazy with 2 lines down the sides of our nose. Which, speaking of which, guys, back in the day, I used to literally leave my house with 2 lines down the sides of my nose and no one would tell me anything. I went back on old photos, which I'll try to find one so I can insert in this video, and it was pretty bad. Like, I don't even know what I was thinking, but I'm just so thankful for my brushes and so thankful for the fact that I learned how to properly contour my nose. All right, guys, so using that same brush, we are going to begin and start blending out the product. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be dragging my brush back and forth, and I'm starting to just blend out any harsh lines. So I'm using the excess powder that's on my brush to really just blend out all of the nose contour I applied prior to this step. It's starting to begin blending out. You can still see the definition on my nose contour, which is very important. So just make sure you continue to blend it out until you feel that it's the perfect snatch. Now, what's super important, guys, is that you did all this work to create lines and definition, so don't over blend your nose contour. So you still want to see some definition in your nose, but you definitely don't want to be like me with 2 lines down the sides of your noses. So make sure you blend properly, but still keep a little bit of that shadowing to really just create that perfect snatched button nose. All right, guys, so now that we went ahead and blended everything out and we are looking like we have definition to our nose and it's starting to look a lot slimmer, we are then going to do the final step, which is actually super, super important in a good nose contour. So what I'm doing is I'm picking up a highlighter shade. This one is Jouer Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Ice. So for my nose contour, I like to use a very white, bright highlighter. The 2 I would recommend would be Ice from Jouer Cosmetics or Soft and Gentle from MAC Cosmetics. Those 2 are like my go-to highlighters for my nose. Then picking out my Morphe 6 brush once again, I'm going to be applying the brush into the highlight. And then on the tip of my nose, I'm going to be applying the highlight. As you guys can see, this really just brightens up the contour and it's gonna make my nose look a lot more lifted. Alright, guys, so I just dropped all my highlighter on the floor. Typical me. Alright, so picking up that brush once again, I'm now going to be applying the highlight down the center of my nose. And once again, this brush is so amazing because it makes this so simple to do. And it makes the line so straight, which is really important when you have a nose contour. You don't want your nose contour to be going more to the left or more to the right, because then you just jacked up your whole nose and then no. All right, guys, so now that I have snatched my nose, can we just take a moment and appreciate how much smaller and more defined my nose looks from how it started off? These brushes, not just because it's my collaboration, but in all honesty, make this so easy to accomplish. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this look by bronzing up my cheekbones, adding some highlighter, and then we're gonna go ahead and talk a little bit more about my collaboration. All right, guys, so here is the final look on my nose contour. I hope all of you guys finally learned my tricks, my secrets, everything you need to know on how to use my 360 nose contouring brush set, as well as how to get the perfect snatched nose. I promise you guys, not just saying this because it's my collaboration, but these brushes help make my nose snatch so much easier. It just takes it to a new level. So guys, don't forget that if you want to purchase my brushes, I'll go ahead and list the link down below so you guys can do so. I also have a coupon code, Brittany Bear, which will get you money off all Morphe products as well as my nose contouring brushes. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'm so happy to finally share with you guys something that really is a staple to my brand and everything that I just enjoy doing as a makeup artist. I would love to hear your guys' feedback, so make sure you guys comment down below and let me know if you found this video helpful and if you like videos like this. Also, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, comment, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed to my channel. And I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I can't breathe. My nose is too snatched. I have lost all emotions and now I cannot breathe.